In 2019, Kylie Jenner fully embraced the Met Galla's theme, designer, custom lavender gown by Versace, crafted with crystal mesh, Swarovski accents, and painted ostrich feathers. It featured a tight-fitting mermaid silhouette and dramatic feathered sleeves and train hair and makeup, a matching lilac wig, waist length and straight, with matte contouring, rosy blush, nude pink lips, and emphasized eyes, creating a mermaid showgirl vibe styling tip. The look was a carefully planned 4-month collaboration with Donatella Versace to ensure the concept came to life flawlessly. In 2025, Kylie Jenner made a powerful return to the Met Gala under the theme Superfine, tailoring black style, designer and style, a custom espresso wool herringbone halterneck gown featuring a semi-sheer corset bodice with exposed boning, crafted from black mesh and gray tweed, masterfully blending elegance with architectural tailoring train and transformation. She debuted the gown draped in a dramatic black silk stole adorned with a jeweled rose brooch. Once on the carpet, she removed it to reveal the sheer bodice and a thigh-high slit accessories and styling, paired with black opera gloves, diamond cuff earrings by Lorraine Schwartz, and black point toe heels with star embellishments. She styled her hair in a sleek updo and sported glossy pink lips. Kylie Jenner's 2024 Met Gala look, embracing the Sleeping Beauties, reawakening fashion, designer, custom gown by Oscar de la Renta, crafted by Laura Kim and Fernando Garcia to echo garden statues from J.G. Ballard's short story The Garden of Time. Color and material, satin double-face fabric in a soft ivory/rosewater tone, giving it a polished, almost sculptural sheen. Silhouette, strapless, column-style gown with a cone-shaped bustier, cinched waist, and dramatic trumpet skirt with a full train, layering tool for volume.